Subsidence is a very specialist field and a very specialist area. It's not something that either the agent or the buyer typically be aware of. Again, it's why you have a surveyor. If your standard bank or building society surveyor have any issues, they would recommend an engineer look at the property. And a structural engineer would then visit and determine that, whether the structure's sound. If there has been history with the property, clients often tell us in advance, but often, if it's flagged up as a concern, you must seek specialist advice. And it would have a bearing on whether a loan is even possible. If the property was deemed, structurally unsound, and there was a suggestion of subsidence, and the house may need underpinning, you would not be able to get secure mortgage finance on that property.